Hello? Yes, this is Janus Remote Communications. I'm glad you asked. POTSwap stands for plain old telephone service. Yes, plain old telephone service. That's right, the old-time telephone with copper wire plugged into the wall kind of deal. Yes, you'd be surprised how many are still being used. They're everywhere in elevators, emergency telephone kiosks, news vans, lift stations. Yes, they fail all the time since copper landlines are so unreliable. Yes, landlines are horribly expensive too, $75 to $150 per month. I'm glad you asked. The Janus LTE POTSwap is a quick and easy POTS replacement device. No more landline charges. Just plug any phone or dialer into the POTSwap by RJ11 and you have a voice-driven cellular device. It's great for both fixed and mobile applications. Cellular antenna, GPS antenna, SIM card, power supply, phone. Bam! POTS replacement. Hang up and I'll call you with the POTSwap. Okay. Hello? Yeah, it's me. Oh, it sounds great, right? It's POTS replacement. Yes, we have carrier plans as well. We can send units with SIM cards already installed. They are cheap. We have units and SIM cards in stock. That's right. How many do you need? We can ship today. You can start saving money right away. You can buy them at our website, www.janus-rc.com, or call Janus directly at 630-499-2121. Thanks, and have a great day.